Kokoro the chicken strutted proudly around the farmyard, her vibrant red feathers glinting in the sunlight. She had always been the queen of the coop, with her confident demeanor and striking appearance. The other chickens looked up to her, following her lead as she led them on daily foraging expeditions in search of delectable treats. Kokoro was not just a beautiful bird. She was also intelligent and resourceful, always finding a way to solve any problems that arose within the flock. Her warm personality endeared her to all the other animals on the farm, from the cheeky goats to the wise old sheep. Kokoro's presence brought a sense of harmony and unity to the farm, and she was beloved by all who knew her. Despite her regal air, she was humble and down-to-earth, always willing to lend a helping wing to those in need. Kokoro's clucks and chirps could be heard throughout the day, bringing a sense of peace to the bustling farmyard. She was truly a special chicken, a bright spot in the lives of everyone around her.